Here's my top 3 takeaways for managing my rental properties for the past 20 years. My top takeaway I'm saving for last. Number 3, you have to control your expenses on repairs, even and especially if you have a management company. I've seen plumbing, HVAC, and electrician jobs cost thousands more than they should. When in doubt, get a second and maybe a third opinion. Number 2, don't let people get behind. I see this a lot with mom and pop landlords, giving people the benefit of the doubt, not enforcing late fees, letting people get months behind with sob stories. I never let a tenant get more than 1 month behind. Late fees are strictly enforced, and I send an eviction notice the earliest I legally can, and my tenants tend to pay on time and avoid late fees and eviction notices. Number 1 for sure, rental criteria. I rent to people who have the highest chance of paying on time and staying a while, using legal criteria to weed out the potential problem tenants. My criteria is 3 times the rent's income, minimum 600 credit score, and this is important, good prior rental reference. That means no first timers. My tenants are happy and so am I. Your thoughts on these tips?